It's finally arrived. The most detailed analysis of remuneration in South Africa's legal market there has ever been. We've been doing this for 12 years now, and this is our biggest ever. Remember, before you click on it, download it and read it, you must remember that it is total remuneration, not just salary, that we're talking about in this report. And whilst it's not every lawyer, plus minus 33,000 of you out there, it is thousands upon thousands of field research, live interviews conducted by the team at Nabii Intel, which is part of the GRM group here in Cape Town, over the past 9 months. We've covered sole practitioners all the way up to the largest firm and everyone in between across many different cities. In-house, we've covered 10 industries, and of course we've also covered alternative legal services and consulting. This is the most accurate field research you will ever read into South Africa's legal market remuneration. And looking ahead into the new year and beyond, it will help you to benchmark yourself and your pay against others in the country. For now, please enjoy this unprecedented report that we have worked so hard on. 143 pages of data brought to you by Nabii Intel, part of the GRM group. We are the leading voice for legal careers and legal remuneration across South Africa. The report shows certain things, but the changes in the legal sector that we're facing are dizzying. The legal market is undergoing a fundamental paradigm shift towards a gig economy. Traditional billable hour structures and lockstep promotions are rapidly becoming obsolete as clients demand strategic, cost-effective legal services fast. The report predicts that remuneration will become largely merit-based, with lockstep compensation dying off completely. And those that stand still will find that their work increasingly gets commoditized, which will push prices down and therefore their earnings even further down. The report also shows that Johannesburg and Cape Town maintain a 10 to 20% salary premium or remuneration premium over national averages, particularly in high demand practice areas. Other cities consistently show remuneration lower than those major cities, at about 10 to 25% below national averages, and while Durban and Pretoria fall somewhere between those extremes. High demand, high revenue practice areas in command, and they also command premium compensation. They include M&A, banking and finance, corporate commercial, litigation, and ever increasingly fintech. Lower tier practice areas such as family law, wills and estates and trust, they consistently underperform the market financially from a remuneration perspective. The in-house sector is showing robust growth, not just in numbers of jobs, but also in remuneration. GC positions in banking, fintech, mining are all commanding sort of 15% plus over the national benchmarks in major cities. Our report also includes a stark warning, especially for practice lawyers, but also in-house. Lawyers who cannot deploy AI and going forward, AI agents, by mid-2026 will likely get left behind. This is no longer optional. It's about survival. And sole practitioners must do the same. Several transformative trends threaten traditional firm structures. Alternative legal service providers are gaining much more significance in market share year on year. Fractional in-house work is accelerating globally through platforms like umbi.com. Global gig platforms are enabling South African lawyers to charge in foreign currencies as they act as a consultant. umbi.com is leading the way. Legal process outsourcing will be consolidating and will probably evolve around MSP-type arrangements. The report suggests that firms investing in skills, technology, and specialist expertise can command premium compensation, while generalist and fragmented segments face a slower growth. The data is undeniable. It indicates you should consider immediately investing in AI and legal technology capabilities if you haven't already. Restructure performance compensation away from pure billable hours towards value-based metrics. Consider hybrid workforce models combining permanent staff and fractional experts to get projects done. Evaluate practice area mix for alignment with high demand sectors. The report also warns of a pay bubble deflating for partners and senior lawyers, with most firms lacking the cash reserves to sustain outsized compensation as demand for traditional legal services wanes. We've talked about this a lot. It could be happening, but not if you take control. The report outlines this over 143 pages. I'm so excited to bring it to you. It is the best piece of work we have ever done. Make sure you read it. Make sure you download it. Make sure you share it. Make sure you comment on it. Email me. Make sure that you email our team. Tell us what you think of it. And good luck and read it and enjoy.